Okay guys, let's see how to fix search bar crashing or closing in Windows 11. So as initial step, you need to press Ctrl Shift plus ESC together on your keyboard. It will open Task Manager. Either you can do right click on the taskbar, tap on Task Manager option. Okay, in this menu you need to scroll down and you can see Windows Explorer option here. Simply select that one, tap on Restart. Then after you can check search bar is working or not. Next method is restart Windows search service. To do that you need to close this one, press Windows plus R on your keyboard. It will be open run menu. In here you need to type services.msc. Tap on OK. These are the services that currently run on your computer. You need to find Windows search option here. Go back, go to bottom of the services, select the Windows search option, right click on it, tap on restart. It will restart the Windows search service. Once you're done with that, you can close this one. Next method is run system file checker. To do that, you need to right click on the start menu, tap on Windows terminal admin option like this, tap on yes on the pop-up menu. In here you need to type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. Once it is completed, you need to again type DISM space / online space / clean up dash image space / restore health. Hit enter. Once it is done, you can close the terminal. Then after again go to start menu, go to setting option here, select the apps in the left side menu, tap on apps and features. You need to find Cortana in here. Scroll down, you can see Cortana in here. Just tap on 3 dots in here, tap on advanced options, scroll down, tap on repair option. Once you're done with that, you can tap on reset option. Then after you can try to check search is working or not. And then after again you need to press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. And this next method is run the search and indexing troubleshooter. In here you need to type msdt.exe space -ep space Windows help ID with the space again space search diagnostic. Make sure every first letter should be capital like this. Now hit enter. So you can follow the on screen instruction to troubleshoot the search related issues. So you can tap on next simply. Now it is detecting the problem, so you can select which issue is you can experience, then tap on next. So it will fix the issue. The next method is rebuild, not restart search host.exe in the process section. To do that, right click on the taskbar, tap on Task Manager. You can do this using Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. Once it is opened, you need to go to Details tab. In here you need to find search host.exe file. Scroll down little bit. Okay, you can see search host.exe. It is running right now. You can tap on end task in here. Do the same thing for the second one also. Tap on end task. then it will be automatically restarting, so you can check search bar is working or not. Next method is rebuild search index. To do that, you need to go to start menu and go to all apps. No, not like that. You need to press Windows key plus R in your keyboard. It will be open run menu. In here you need to type control and tap on OK. Okay, once it is opened, you need to set the view by as a large icon. Then you need to go to indexing options. Tap on advanced button in here. Under the index setting tab, you need to tap on rebuild option. Wait for the index to rebuild. This may take some time. Then after you can check it is working or not. Once it is done, you can close this one, and the next method is check for Windows updates. To do that, again go to start menu, go to setting. In the left side menu, tap on Windows update option. Install any post update, or you can tap on check for update option in here. It will download latest update and it will fix the search related issues. So these are the methods you can try to fix your search bar is crashing or closing in your computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.